exercises on the training field. And in the end, there is an exam. Oh, wow. Cool. A training field exercise.
Yeah, that's cool indeed. Is it on the training field?
I guess only boys are allowed there.
No, Vera, the rules are for everybody. It is written right there on the board. Didn't you see, Vera? So everybody means everybody.
Well, then we are everybody, too.
Oh, where is he?
Ethan, don't worry. George will be here real soon. He's just a little late, okay?
He's just a little late. He's always late. Shouldn't you be at your dressmaking class? What do you think you're doing here, huh?
Wait, my mom won't let me go unless I finished my meal.
Well then, did you finish it?
Oh, yeah.
See you on the training field then.
Sam Sparky, the rules are as follows. Passing is prohibited where the restricting sign and a semaphore signal say no. All right, my friends. You have to complete the main assignment. You should reach the river and get across it. But you should not use the big bridge. It is not suitable for children.
Private Sam Sparky requests permission to speak. My brave Sam Sparky. The squad wants to know how to find the shortest way.
I gave a map to each squad, so use it to find the shortest way.
That's weird. According to the map, there has to be a city here. And we should be standing on a street.
Yeah, but we're standing in a swamp. Wah! You're holding the map upside down, Arnold.
Oh, the swamp. Oh, I'm sinking in. Help me. Ouch, ouch, ouch. Oh, pull me out, please. Help me.
The assignment says a bridge. Is that right?
Yep, this is the bridge.
The bridge is forbidden to use. We should find a bypass.
Suddenly, a band of savages came out of the jungle.
Where is Arnold? Did you eat him up? Well, Arnold stood behind.
He got stuck.
And it's all my fault. Sam Sparky, we are friends. A true friend would never fail a friend when he needs help. Let's go and find Arnold first, and then complete the assignment together. Right?
Mm-hmm.
That's cool.
I shall stay up here in case Arnold shows up. Arnold, you got out! Hooray! What? Where? Here's the river I see. I'm getting across to be the first one. I'm ready to go. Arnold, hold it! Where are you going? The bridge is dangerous. No.
Congratulations! Both squads were excellent in completing the assignment. While George distinguished himself in action. And so now, you understand the seriousness and the importance of the safety rules here on the railroads.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.
I can't understand it. Such a good teacher like yourself having such a badly behaved son.
We didn't know.
Well, you should have known that. The railroad is no playground. It's very dangerous, especially if you're clinging to moving wagons. That's dangerous for everybody, not just kids. And this time they got away with a scratch. But next time they could get seriously injured.
I think it's time to go.
Goodbye.
What's wrong with you? How could you do that? Now go home. Your father will have a talk with you later.
What's going on? Did they go and play on the railroad again?
I told him 1,000,000 times. And I assure you that we studied all the safety rules in class over and over again.
Safety rules, you say? I see. Well, it's time to study the unsafety rules then. Just trust me. Children, I need your help now. We are all going to teach someone the unsafety rules.
Oh, those adults. They always worry and it's for nothing. Arnold, wake up! Don't fall asleep. Our adventures are waiting. Hey, George, is that you?
Yeah, it's me. Wanna go with me where I've been yesterday?
Yeah, but first tell me where you were yesterday.
Playing on the railroad. It's so cool. I broke something when I played there, but the doctor says in 2 years I'll be fine. Can you three help me and push me to the railroad? Because I can't go by myself anymore.
No, it's too early for you.
It's just too bad he played on the railroad, eh?
Oh, hey guys! Do you like our new look?
You know, now I have to go out in 2 separate parts. Can you imagine that?
Huh? But what happened to you guys?
Oh, nothing much. We were clinging on to Grandpa Billy when all of a sudden he reversed. I'm telling you, it was great fun.
Yeah, it hurts a bit, but they say that someday the pain may pass. Is it fun or what?
Yeah, I can't stop laughing.
Hey, maybe can we go to the library instead of that?
No. We had some plans, remember?
Vera, you were a very good girl. Playing on the railroad is what it's all about.
Yes, Mother. And now the joy is tearing me apart.
Where was it that we wanted to play on? Well, now I changed my mind. So, how do I get to the library?
Turn left at the corner.
Good work, everyone. I think that they finally got the point.
It was much easier than making our dad stop snoring at night.
To begin with, here is the road traffic safety guide, and we'll start with the signs first. all
Hey,
right?
can I be the first to read it? Hey, George, what are you doing?
I'm thinking about my plans for the weekend. To search for treasure or to catch the wind.
Forget about your plans. We are going to go fishing.
Did you say fishing?
Yeah, my dad is going to take us with him to go fishing.
Really?
Let's go. We need to prepare the fishing rods.
Ethan, have you ever gone fishing before?
This is my first time.
So tell me, do you know what bait we should use?
Hey there, guys.
Vera, hi there.
Hello there, Vera.
Hey, guys, where are you going?
Well, we are going to go fishing.
What do you say? Are you really going to go fishing together?
Yes, with real fishing rods and everything.
Uh-huh.
Will you, take me with you?
Well, we'll need to think about it.
No need to think at all. Fishing is not for girls, so that's that then.
But why? But why is that?
Because only real trains go fishing, Vera. That's the way it is. Sorry about that. Come on, George, let's go. We have a very important day tomorrow.
So only real trains go fishing? We'll see about that.
We've been here for an hour at least. And we haven't caught a single fish, Dad.
We just need to have some patience, Ethan.
Ba-ba-da-ba-ba-ba-ba-da.
Quiet. You'll scare the fish away, boys.
So fishing is when you sit down and don't even talk to anybody?
Yes. You have to sit, my boy, patiently. Just wait and think. Look, just like George.
Well, fishing is so boring. No singing and no talking. No fish at all. Fishing without fish. What a bore. I'm gonna go look for something to do. Hooray! Ha-ha-ha! Now I know where big fish are to be found. This is so great. You can even catch it without using a rod. Well, we have to do something creative. Wow-wee! Yeah! Turn on the engines. I'm gonna catch the biggest fish ever. My father and George will be so surprised. There are so many fish here. It's really great. Wow, this is what I call real fishing. I'll stay right where I am. There are so many fish over here. And they can jump right into my boat. This is so much fun. What is that noise? Where is it coming from? Oh, it's a dam.
Ethan and George will be very surprised when I catch some fish all by myself. He won't say silly things anymore, like only real trains can catch fish.
Help me, please.
Ethan, where are you going?
I'm not the one. It's the stream that's pulling me, Vera.
Oh, there must be a dam ahead. Ethan, you have to turn on your engines upstream.
That's right. Oh boy, I should have guessed that for myself. Oh, 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 oh. Oh boy, Vera, please help me.
I'm coming, hold on. What can I do? Think, Vera, just think.
Vera!
Ethan, open the sail now. The sail. Hooray, you're okay, Ethan, hooray.
Thank you so much, Vera. If it wasn't for you...
But Ethan, anyone would do the same thing that I did.
Listen, when you're fishing, the most important thing is just to sit. Sit patiently. Just wait and think.
You mean like they are?
Vera, wake up! Happy Women's Day, my dear. We will have a spring cleaning day today.
Oh?
Dear girls, happy holiday. I bought tickets to the cinema today. We're gonna watch Gone with the Train. Waiting for you at the cinema.
Hooray, we're going to the cinema.
And what about the spring cleaning?
Okay. Oh, man. Let's take a break.
Why don't we leave this cupboard?
Your mother wants a new cupboard, and she's going to get a new cupboard.
That may be so, but it was much closer to bring it to my room. I'll be right back.
Hi, Ethan. What have you been doing?
My dad and I are surprising my mom. We're bringing a new cupboard to her room.
My dad has prepared a surprise for me, too. He bought cinema tickets. But I think I'm not going.
Why, though?
We need to finish our cleaning today. We have to finish it all today.
No, Vera. Go to the cinema. I will help my dad, and then I will help you. What do you think about that, huh? Ow!
What? Hooray, Mom, I know what to do.
But first, I need to get out from under the cupboard.
Where are you going, Ethan?
Just some chore. Do you know how to clean?
Well, theoretically, If I make a mess of the place before cleaning it up again, then yes, I can clean it up then.
Follow me then. We need to save Vera.
Oh, save her from what?
From spring cleaning her whole house.
What's going on here?
What are you doing here?
I came to celebrate, and all I see is this mess, like I'm in the wrong room or something, and no one's here.
Vera's at the cinema. And what you see here is the start of our spring cleaning.
And you should start cleaning with us as well. I mean, you should stay here and help us with the spring cleaning. We could really use the extra hand. I can do it. I will help you. I'll stay here and do the most difficult part. I will write Vera the greeting card.
He was so charming and she was so beautiful. How they were at dusk and how he saved her. Their love was so inspiring, don't you think?
Oh, Mom, don't forget there was a happy ending.
It was a very good movie.
They're back home.
What is this? How did this... Oh, no, well, who did this, Vera? Oh. Oh. Oh, Vera, oh.
Thank you, Sam Sparky.
Wait. Why did Vera only thank you, Sam Sparky?
What did you write on the greeting card, Sam Sparky? I just remembered that I need to clean my house as well. My parents are waiting for me, and I gotta go. I'll be late. Hey, wait!
Boys are so funny. Am I right, Mom?
Stop! Do you hear me?
Yes, you're right, especially on Women's Day.
Why would people possibly paint the walls like this?
That's what I'm saying. I fell asleep, and when I woke up, I saw these paintings right here.
Grandpa Billy, I suggest that you don't take any passport photos right now.
This is outrageous.
What?
Shameless.
Oh.
Who did that?
Well, good. We coped with hooliganism, and I think we did fine.
I thought that you were going to make holes in me. So what are we going to do about these hooligans, eh?
Easy now. An investigation is underway.
Who did that to Grandpa Billy?
We'll see after the investigation.
How will we see afterwards?
Well, first of all, they will find traces of the criminal. And with those traces, they will find the criminal himself. Oh.
Here are the traces.
He looks strangely familiar, guys.
So here you are then.
Oh, so here you are then.
So here
Then.
This is called graffiti, and it's also called modern art, huh?
Well, it looks more like modern hooliganism to me.
Fantastic. You're a good painter. You just need to know where you can and where you cannot paint, and you'll be fine.
And where can I paint?
Well, you know, there are a lot of dull gray fences that you can paint for a start.
Let's make a festival of graffiti here.
That's great. I'll make beautiful paintings right here.
And we will help you. beautiful.
Oh, you are so good. You see, you can spoil the town with paintings, or you can make it more beautiful.
Well, yes, I suppose it's better.
I agree with that, and there's no more paint on Grandpa Billy, at least.
Yeah. Well, if you'll take another look, you'll see that I actually do have some paint on me.
I'm sorry. It's my fault. I didn't notice.
Do you have scour liquid? Or should I keep this paint on for fun?
Hey, George, what on earth was that?
You know, guys, I wanted to get new super speed fuel, but I guess I will have a super row with my mom.
Don't worry, George. You're the smartest train I know.
Of course, George, you are a genius.
Knowledge is power. Ugh, and I like it a lot. All right then, my friends. We need to clean everything up here before my mom comes back.
See you then. Ew, I don't really want to do homework today, Vera.
You know something? A friend of mine from out of town never does her homework.
Huh, how do they study then?
They have a special jam for studying. I mean it, really.
I think I need to learn more about mathematics, Vera.
Well, I like geography. It's green as apples, which means it's effective. And you know something? Some trains just don't want to retain new knowledge, Ethan. That's just the way it is. I'm serious about it.
Hey, look, Vera. Maybe you can bring some jam for studying about this.
Of course I can, Ethan. Now it's time to do my homework. And remember, knowledge is power.
Vera, you seem to know geography perfectly.
How did you memorize the names of the oceans, the countries, the continents?
Well, thanks to this awesome jam, I just turned some screws.
Maybe you brought some math with you as well.
No, unfortunately. You know what? My friend likes studying so much, and she's eaten all the jam. She just left a few tasty geography screws for me. I turned them around and left her. But next time, I'll definitely bring something. Really and truly.
My poor girl. She's really tired. She's been doing homework all night. Thanks so much, you guys.
Well, no, Vera didn't do her homework. She just ate her jam for studying. With screws, actually.
Jam for studying? Oh, Ethan, you can't get knowledge just by turning the screws, you know, dear. Vera was just fantasizing.
So you mean that she just made it all up? That she just wanted to make fun of us?
Hey, Anthony, let's make fun of her as well.
I agree. She deserves everything that's coming.
Vera, you're not gonna believe it. We now know George's secret.
Really? We do?
Well, well, what do we have for dinner today?
George ate the entire encyclopedia. Now he knows everything.
I don't believe you.
Try it yourself then.
Here you are, Vera, the amazing and mechanical dictionary.
You don't want to eat the book?
Oh, but it's so effective.
Look, guys, I'm really sorry. I made everything up. There's no jam for studying things, and I don't want to eat the dictionary.
We know that. But you know what, Vera? That was fun.
Guys, knowledge is power. Just look what I've invented here. Ethan, Vera, Anthony, where are you?
Yeah. Knowledge is great power.
Oh, Ethan, don't do that. You shouldn't take refuge from a thunderstorm under a tree. It could get struck by lightning.
But if you run in an open field, you could get struck yourself.
Listen, it would be better if we run into the valley, or if we go home instead, Ethan.
What's wrong with him?
It got struck by lightning and turned wild.
Oh, a thunderstorm is coming on. Close the windows and be very, very careful.
Oh.
George, Ethan, are you okay? You shouldn't be afraid of storms. You should just go home.
We're not afraid of storms. We're simply afraid of a wild trolleykin.
I don't know how to say this, but I've got trolleykin phobia. I'm not afraid of domestic trolleykins, but the wild ones, they really scare me. I can't help it. I'm so sorry. It's no good. This trolleykin has gone wild. We need to get hold of it.
What about your trolleykin phobia?
A true policeman is not a policeman who is afraid, but one who is scared to be afraid.
That's true. Well said. We have to remember that for later.
All citizens in Train City, we need your help immediately.
Hey guys, will our trolleykin stay wild forever?
Only a miracle can save us now.
That's a good trolleykin. It's nice to see you not wild anymore.
Well, it was more fun when T. Trolleykin was wild.
Oh no, guys. It's good that wild trolleykin turned back to normal.
All right, let's all go home now. There's another thunderstorm coming. Huh? Well, it looks like our trolleykin friend has gone wild again. I guess we're gonna have to help him, guys.
Hey, friends, press to subscribe and watch the new episodes.